In question 5, you are given a specific figure and dimensions to 4 points. You are asked to draw the given figure and determine the image figures to each of the transformations. The transformations are central symmetry, axial symmetry, a rotation clockwise through 120 degrees, and a translation. Once you have A, A1, A2, A3 and A4 found on your page, you draw in your figure at A. We're now going to create central symmetry where A is going to end up at A1. Note that I also have my points indexed B, C and D to help me track my drawings. We join A to A1 and we bisect that line. This is going to give us our central point of symmetry. We're going to draw our lines through that central point of symmetry and carry it on the same distance past it. Make sure and label your drawing as you go. We now draw in our figure, and that is our first central symmetry done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create an axial symmetry where A1 is going to end up at A2. The first thing you do is join A1 to A2 and also bisect that line. That's going to give us our axial line. We carry the points through that axial line. This angle here is 90 degrees, and we carry it on the same distance as it was before the line. So this distance here is the same as this distance here. This distance here is the same as this distance here. You draw in your figure, and that is our axial symmetry complete. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate the object through 120 degrees. That will mean that this angle here is 30 degrees and this angle here is 30 degrees. So if you put your protractor across this line and measure 30 degrees, carry this line out and do the same down here, you're going to get your point of rotation. You rotate your points down then through the 120 degrees. And you draw in your figure. So if you join any point here back to the rotation point here and create 120 degrees, that is going to give you your corresponding point. So for example, if you join D2 to this point and measure 120 degrees, that is going to give you D3 here. We then draw in our figure. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to create a translation. A3 is going to end up at A4. So you just join A3 to A4. That is giving us our direction, and it's also giving us our distance. So we're moving this object from here over to here. This measurement here is the same as this measurement here. That is our question complete 2000 section B question 5.